Good day, guys. This is our last video on this tutorial. Remember, this is our last video, like I told you. So. Now, in this last video, I'm gonna be giving you a little bit of advice. There is one problem I want to show you, but believe me, that one is more complicated. Now, it is easy for you to be able to solve the problem, but to couple it again, this machine again will take you serious time. You need a lot of expertise. I believe I'm going to release the video on that, but like I told you, you need serious expertise. Now, why I'm saying that is, if you have this kind of a thing, I'm going to show you this. If you have one set of a paper that is always printing faint, sometimes you see something like this. There are ways to manage it. There are ways to manage it. If you see this kind of a thing, there are ways to manage it. The first thing to do is to manage this is to always on your machine and allow it to warm for like maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, if you do that, this printing on one side will definitely be improved. Your work will go better. Another way to also improve it is by increasing the contrast, reducing the brightness of the document you want to photocopy. Okay, when you want to photocopy, when you on this machine, I'm not gonna on it now. When you on it, you go down, you scroll this, click this arrow. Once you on the machine and it's finished putting, you click down this arrow and it will take you to where you see brightness. So you just reduce the brightness to the first to the last. Then when you do when you do it that way, this faint printing on this side will equally be solved. Okay, to be solved. Sorry, I cannot on the machine now and show you that, but like I said, my machine is okay. So even if I do it, you will not know. So I just want to show you, in case you have that kind of problem. So the first thing I said is you need to on your machine and light to warm at least every day, because this thing do happen most times when you're owning the machine for the first time, when you're switching the machine on for the very first time in a day, maybe in the morning. Sometimes cold weather do causes this, so you have to make it allow the machine to be warm. On it, allow it to be on for like 20 to 30 minutes before you can start filling in your documents for photocopying or printing. With that, you can get rid of this faint printing or this other one. Another way you can also get rid of this is to enter the code I have showed you in the previous video when I was talking about how to clear print on able error. The code is just, I'm going to recap it. I said you switch on the machine. It's already in the previous video, so watch the previous video so that you can get the steps, but I'm going to recap it. I'm not going to be doing it practically. So I said you off the machine and then you on the machine. While on the machine, first of all you press this menu button. Then after pressing this menu button, hold down the menu button, then on the machine. When on it to show maintenance. So when it shows maintenance, you type in, when it's finished booting, you allow it to be filled. You show you please wait. Once you please wait is over, you now enter 88. Once you're done with 88, it will show you RB. So you press the up arrow here, the up arrow key. When you press the up arrow key just once, it will show you RV. Then you now click this OK key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It will process the code that you just imputed and tell it, and to show you please wait. So you wait. When the please wait is over, you then type 74, and then you will now see 0000. There is 40 on the screen. Then you now type 0301. Once you do that, you click start key. After typing that number, you click the start button, and then the machine. After clicking the start button, you click the machine on and off. Then this problem will be solved. I've thought about 3 ways of solving this problem now. The first one I said warm the machine for 20 to 30 minutes every morning before start using it. The second one I said you should So the second one I said you should make sure that you use the code. The code I just told, that's the second one. Then the third one I was talking about was that you should endeavor to um sorry, I just got it. So I had explained it. I had explained it very well for you. I said either either you use warm the machine for 20 to 30 minutes. That's one of the ways to get it done before you start filling documents. This will be off. Okay, that's one of the ways to get it done. Or you increase the brightness when you want to photocopy or want to print anything. Increase the quality of that printing. Yes, that's what improve it. That's the second way. Please let me recap again because I'm going to be ending this video here now. I said to solve this problem, the first thing you do is what? Is for you to always warm the machine. This what I mean by warming, that you switch it on and allow it to be on for like 20 to 30 minutes every morning before start filling in documents. Then the second one I said is reduce the brightness. You reduce the brightness of the machine, the brightness of the photocopying, of the copy. You reduce it here. When you on it, you see, and you click this down button, you go and see you see the option that says brightness. So you just click the arrow button to reduce it, and you can now do your stuff. That's one of the ways to get rid of this fainting by one side. You can see this one is the most serious one, very serious one. This one is worse than this other first one. So if you see things like that, use those two approach. Then the third approach, I said use the code I told you. Okay, code. Bye. I can't go back again. But please just use the code I mentioned. Sorry, the steps. It's not actually a code. Listen, it's not this. It's not a simple code. It's the steps. The steps of inputting that code, whereby you hold down the menu key, you switch on the machine, and then it shows maintenance. When it shows maintenance, is to show please wait below here. So when the please wait is over, you type in 88. 88. That is 88. Okay. When you're done with that, when you type 88, it will show you. When you type 88, it will show you to show RB. So you click the up arrow key one time to show RV. Then you click the OK button 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then the machine will begin to process that code. After that, when the please wait here is over, after processing it, you type 74. Then after typing 74, you see 4 zeros coming out here. Then you type, don't clean anything, just type 0301. I repeat, I said 0301. Then you click the start button. Once you do that, this fainting will be over. So you switch off the machine and then on.